I'm working on the Hunter's cuckoo clock that has the AMS movement. I'm trying to do some casework. Here's the case itself. And like I said, this was all part of Sean Barnes' Boneyard clocks that he used for parts. I found the topper. It was broken, so I'm having it glued. Here's the deer head. It's missing an ear, so I am trying to put an ear on it. I used my scroll saw and cut out this block of wood here, and now I'm using my dremel to make it look halfway decent. It's not going to be perfect, I understand that. I don't carve. I am not a person that carves wood, but I can get it to where it looks somewhat presentable. And like I've always said, the only person that matters is yourself and your wife if you're married. So let me continue to work on that. I have my Dremel here, and I've got these sanding discs to sand the wood. Again, I'm not carving. I'm sanding. If I can get this disc on. A lot of times you gotta loosen these plates up to put the disc on. The plate itself squishes the rubber out, and I should have done that. Most of the time you can put them on, but there, I got it on. And so I want to thin this out, and I'm not an artist as some people are, and so I'm winging it here as to what I need to do. And I didn't put that disc on very good. It's already breaking. But it's starting to look like an ear. I've done this in the past one of my other cuckoo clocks, and it turned out okay. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be presentable. You can do some amazing things with a dremel and a little patience. I think I need to change out bits because I didn't take the time to put this bit on properly. Besides, I wanted to do some fine work, and this is a smaller bit. And this bit is too loose, so let me tighten it up. Of course, I'm making a mess all over my table, but that's what they made vacuum cleaners for. getting loose again. These things don't last that long. Well, the back don't look as good as the front. But, you know, it's, like I said, I'm not an artist. There's people out there who are a lot better than me at this. And this bit needs to be replaced already. But I hope y'all are liking this video. You know, once I put some stain on it, you got a deer without an ear, you have a deer with an ear. What looks better? Even though the ear's not perfect, A deer without the ear or a deer with the ear? I like it with the ear myself. Here's a clock that I had to put an ear on the deer, and from back here you can't tell the difference. Yeah, when you get up close you can see that the right ear is the one I put on and the left ear was original. But back here it looks fine. People aren't going to get that close to your clocks as they are browsing around your house. And so they're not going to notice the difference. So that's all I'm saying is it don't have to be perfect in my house. It just has to be presentable. And I like what I do. Please hit the subscribe button and God bless.